Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn about Gravity's financial reporting and how we can distribute financial statements automatically and easily to your management, your investors, and other constituents. So let's look for a moment at Gravity's financial reporting. And we have a portal specifically designed for executing financial reports. I have a list of templates here that were created by the financial team. Now, each of these reports, of course, has its own security on it as to who can access it and who can see it. But I'm just going to run a financial report quickly for you, just to give you an idea of the layout. Now, our financial reports are based on designing all the columns and rows so you can have a complete financial statement the way you want to see it. So these templates can easily be executed, but quite often we're going to want to distribute a month-end package. And that package may be distributed to management, maybe to outside investors, to banks, and each package could have different reports in it. So we have a concept called packages, where in a package, and this is my monthly package, I can easily define the reports that I want to execute. I can define how I want them to be displayed, either as an Excel or PDF, depending if it's like internal members, I want them to see it in Excel. Maybe if it's investors, I want it in PDF. And I want it emailed. And who's my list? This is my list here. And what is the email messaging going to be? So what I would do here at this point is I would pick a report date and hit run. And the package will then go off in the background and execute. And quite often in practice, we see our customers having multiple packages. So to execute several different packages, it just takes minutes. Pick the report date, hit run, go to the next package, report date, hit run, so on. And after a couple of minutes, you may have executed 3 or 4 report packages, which may encompass 15 or 20 different reports. And what you'll see is you have full visibility to the report run. So I can open up this report run. I can see the reports that were created. I can download the reports if I want to. We obviously have a start date, so we know when these reports were executed. But then the users are going to get an email message. So we'll go to our email, and because we don't want to just package up the reports in the spreadsheet because we're not sure who's going to get the email, so what we do is we actually give them a link to the report. So when they click here, they're going to have to, of course, have the right security, and they'll get back in and they'll see this executed group only. And this is the group that you gave them access to. And they would be able to look at the reports, download the reports. But again, the goal here is make it easy to distribute the reports, not having to think about who gets what report at the end of the month. Gravity take over. So thank you for taking a few minutes to learn about Gravity packages.